Welcome to Crash&Bash IC. We're going to be changing it up a bit today. We're going to be shooting bows. I'm Caleb, and Tanner's behind the camera, but he will be joining us in shooting today.
These are the items we would be shooting. We have a pop can, some little lion thing, got a padlock, and we got this weird chair. It's going to be fun.
We'll be shooting the chair first. We're 20 yards downrange.
Next up is the pop can.
Next, we're going to be shooting the padlock. I think this is going to be a good one.
Alright, we're going to check out the damage. We got a nice little hole, you know. You've seen in the clip before. Caleb shot that one. Now it's my turn on the other side. That was pretty crazy. Look at that. Put that thing right on there, too. Let's take a look at it. If we can see there. Put it right in, though. See all the components.
That's what inside of a padlock looks like.
We're going to shoot it again. See if we can get this bad boy open. Sustained a little damage. Always never try this at home, even though we did. But it went through, definitely went through. But now we got a arrow right there. Let me try and pop that out. Caleb, you want to try and pop that out quick? Oh yeah, looks about right. Hollow part. Well, there's your padlock for you. Thanks for watching this Crash&Bash RC video.
It was a mix-up, but, you know, we had fun.
See you next time.
Hope you guys like it.